In today's video, we are covering hydraulic versus bifold doors. First up, let's talk hydraulic doors. These doors swing outward, forming a canopy. One thing to keep in mind is, when parking in front, they may come in contact with nearby objects. To ensure clear visibility, it is recommended to install windows and mark the outside concrete to avoid parking too close. It has two hydraulic cylinders with spherical bearings. The powerful hydraulics include soft shift valves integrated into the hydraulic pump, facilitating a smooth opening and closing of the hydraulic doors. Now onto the bifold doors. These doors offer a significant benefit during opening. They raise upward, minimizing the need for outward space. This design requires less operating space in front of your building. The two-piece bifold configuration enhances usable space in front of your door opening, making bifold doors efficient space savers. Additionally, bifold doors mount above the clear opening on the outside of the building structure, lifting up and out without the necessity of increasing building height. This design ensures no loss of headroom inside the building. The bifold door system features multiple lift straps, each rated for 29,000 pounds. This distribution of lift points effectively spreads the door's weight, enhancing the overall safety factor. We hope this video has provided you with some insights into the hydraulic versus bifold door debate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.